Hello and welcome to the newest episode of AI Tool Sneak Peek, our weekly series in which we show and tell some cool AI tool capabilities. In the last few weeks, we have started this series. We have spoken on myriad of topics. You can go to our YouTube channel and see the list of topics in here. We have spoken about how to co-write with ChatGPT. We have spoken about a tool to help you manage your reading notes better, and also spoken about things like how can you use ChatGPT safely in overall context, and a few more things. So in all, our focus has been on how can we help you with this series work more productively, work better, and in addition, also in a data safe manner. But today's episode is slightly different. Today, we talk about how to craft your audio resume. And this capability that we are going to show you today, it has a certain feel good factor. And I'll come to the feel good factor a little later in a few minutes from now. So the tool that we talk about today is called as Notebook LM. So Notebook LM, like we shared in a couple of weeks back in one of the demos, is your personalized AI research assistant, which is based on and powered by Google's Gemini. And what Google has really done is they have rethought the entire note-taking experience, keeping AI at the center. This tool comes with quite a few capabilities. You can check our past videos on a couple of things that we have covered here. But today, that the capability that we focus on is what is known as audio overview. So audio overview simply is a capability that helps to convert any document, any source that you may have to a very engaging audio conversation. And this was a feature which was also viral since the last few weeks. Okay, let's see how we can use this in context of what we are talking about today, which is to generate your audio resume. You first click, you can go to not Notebook LM, notebooklm.google, and then click on Try Notebook, which takes you to your notebooks page. You click on New Notebook, and what appears is this page, which is blank right now because it does not have any source. So in our experiments, to generate audio resume, the first thing that we tried was to click on source, and it accepts various types of source. And one of the things that we tried was to first see if it can take the LinkedIn profile. I'll just copy my LinkedIn profile here and insert it here. So it does take that LinkedIn profile here, and it takes a while, a few seconds to load, and you can see my entire profile is here. But but there is another way you can actually upload your profile, which is by uploading a PDF. Okay, and by uploading a PDF of LinkedIn profile, so LinkedIn, as you might know, it allows you to download your profile as a PDF. If you come here, click Save to PDF on LinkedIn under the More button, you will be able to save your profile as PDF. And you can go back here, and which I've already done. I've saved my profile. If I go here, I already see my LinkedIn profile, which I can add here. Okay. So since we're talking about audio overview is a capability which can be enabled by just clicking a generate button under the audio overview section. Okay. So before that, how do you reach this section? You can just simply open your notebook, and if this window is not open, all that you need to do is to click on Notebook Guide, which is on the bottom right. Once you click on the Notebook Guide, there is an option known as Generate. So why I showed you link as well as PDF, because our experiments showed that when we generated an audio overview or resume using link, the output was not very accurate, because it tried to include more details than just the profile. It started talking about the LinkedIn post that you may have done, some things that you may have liked and reacted to, etc. But when we uploaded PDF, the accuracy of audio overview was fantastic, and I'll show you that. All that you need to do is to click on generate. Once you click on generate, the conversation, generating conversation process starts. It actually takes a few minutes, I think approximately 3 or 4 minutes before it generates the profile. And for the sake of demo, I've already done that in a separate window. As you can see here, this profile audio overview is ready. And all I can do to hear this is just click on play, and it will play the audio conversation based on my profile. But that's not the only way you can use this. You can also download this file, and it downloads as a WAV file, which can be converted to MP3 for the broader distribution easily using any free tools which is available. So how does the conversation audio resume conversation looks like? I'll try and play this a bit for you to get an idea.
Ever feel like you're trying to outrun a robot? Not literally, of course, unless you're in some like sci-fi marathon.
Right.
But with all this talk about AI, it's easy to wonder, like, where do we humans fit in?
Yeah.
Well, today we're diving into the world of Anuj Magazine.
Okay.
A guy who not only embraces technology, but also champions that unique human edge we've got.
And he would know.
Right.
I mean, Anuj's career, it reads like a masterclass in navigating change, from software engineering to product development, even founding his own companies.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rewind that for a sec. Founding companies, multiple marathons.
Right.
And he's into handwriting analysis.
Yeah.
Seriously, does this guy ever sleep?
It's amazing.
What's fascinating to me is he doesn't just dabble.
Right.
He excels.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'll just stop that. I think you probably get what I meant by the feel-good factor, because it just takes every bit of your resume and converts it into some fascinating conversation. I think you have this AI, a tool which is available to you that can talk good things about you, about your profile, and something that is really, uh, you know, uh, great at making you feel good and feel better. I hope you try this feature out and and see what use case you can unlock with this other than feeling good. Audio resumes are not very common these days, but they can find a space in your website, in your blog, and any other way that you would love to distribute them. So that's all we had for today. Thank you so much for listening in, and until next time, take good care of yourself, and we'll see you soon. Bye.